I want to show you a great way to debug when you're using FairCom DB actions from the command line. So first we have a FairCom DB running, and we're located in the drivers, Python JSON nav, tutorials folder. These are the actions that are available to us. First, when I just run the simple ping action, I get a simple message back. Ping successful. Great. However, if I am more curious about what's being passed back and forth or different debug options, I can open the Python folder directly called ping.python and see that the JNA client that's being created has two parameters. First being the location of the request, second being the debug setting default. However, currently the default setting default is set to false, as will be with all actions. To change this, we simply type true in your favorite text editor and save that, exit out, and then you should be able to run again with your debug set to true. As you can see here, different great options coming back and forth. You can see the JSON that's being sent and the JSON that's being received, and you still get your successful message response. Thank you.